Welcome to this guide on how to install the Peikko Toolbox in Allplan and add it to the Actionbar. Right-click on the file and select Run as Administrator. Select your preferred language, and then press OK. The license agreement window will be shown. After reviewing, click the I accept the agreement and then Next. Select the browse to choose which folder it will be saved. Click on Next and then Install. Click on Finish. Open the Allplan application. Click on the Actionbar configurator to show the Actionbar configuration window. Choose Precast Element Roll to place the icon. Type in Peikko in the search bar. Then select the plugins on the task areas. Select the Peikko Toolbox. Choose the Manufacturer tab. Then drag and drop the Peikko Toolbox to Peikko Group area. And then save. Select the Peikko Toolbox icon, and the Peikko Toolbox palette will be shown. Click on the tutorial video to learn how to use the Peikko Toolbox. Thank you for watching.